comes off every single night. So round of applause for our dancers, please. And now guess what? The reason you came out tonight is that class of season 3! Starting with, are you ready for a dive? Because it's the Riverman Way! And she's bloody spicy, she is. It's your Spanish sausage, chorizo man! And give it up for your cockney princess of drag, it's Scarlett Harlow! And your beast from Jack Release, it's Adam Day! Now she nearly sent me home, but not quite. It's your lip-sync assassin, Vanity Ballard! And we all fucking adore her. It's not Veronica Blue, it's Veronica Green! Yeah! Now this bitch scares the living shit out of me. It's Charity Case! And your queen of kookiness and chaos, it's Anubis! And last but of course not least, your pocket rocket, Electra Fair!
Let's hear it for your season 3 winner, Crystal Versace!
We love you, Wales. We'll be back very soon, but for now, we have been RuPaul's Drag Race UK Season 3!
Eller